going for nut number 2 and not me.
Our house is full of nuts.
Okay, now the other cool part other than the grass,
Yeah.
which it's not like we have a lot of,
No.
Once this carburetor's on,
Yeah.
we have finally sealed the motor. So we can move on to degreasing and cleaning up the engine.
Cool.
As I've said, I don't want to do it up here, but if I have to,
We will.
we will. Okay, now I'm expecting it to fire off fairly easy.
Okay.
But-
Because it was the other day.
On the same instance,
Yeah.
I don't know what any of the carb settings are on it.
Okay.
So, I've plugged out the bulk of the vacuum ports,
Okay.
so that's good. I think I'm going to take this strap off
For the time being.
because it really
Is in the way.
is in my way. Let me come over to this side, switch places.
Yeah, that's easier said than done when you're in a wheelchair. Step
No.
1. Carb on.
Yep, carb is on. Now, this is goofy as all get up. That's what they had holding this rod up.
Was that baling wire?
Yeah, basically.
Fun.
Now, this should go through this and get a little clip, I think. Can't tell. If I can get this through there. Boy, that don't move nice at all.
Is it crammed in there?
No, it's just, it's going to need to be cleaned and so. Little pliers.
Table.
Okay. This is a return spring, but it's what we need.
Okay.
It's just not in the configuration we need.
Oh.
So I shortened it by 1.5 inches.
Okay.
Give me something. Okay. Okay, not as bad.
Cool.
Okay, so that at least gives us that. Now, okay, seems we're lucky here too. That goes on.
Carb on. Next step.
Next step is 2 vacuum lines and get Jesse in the driver's seat.
Okay.
That's the next 2 steps. So I'll get the fuel line on. I don't want any gas leaks. I'm not concerned with them because everything that you could do from the interior
Yeah.
with to help this is not available to us at this moment.
You mean like the gas pedal?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, now I just need to hook up the vacuum advance. Easier said than done, Robert. Vacuum lines that were hooked up are hooked up again.
Okay.
So that's done. We're out of the way. I guess we go for gas?
Yep.
Gas source.
Okay.
We're up to you in the interior. It's all you.
Okay.
Going for some potato.
Potato! Sorry, back was compressing. These seats suck.
Yep,
They're also 60 years old.
yep. Come on.
Come on, magic potato.
Okay, let me get a screwdriver.
Great, okay. Did we kill the battery again?
I'm not sure. We haven't had it hooked up.
Okay.
So I don't think so, but it won't hurt to have the charger on. It gives it a little more spark.
Okay.
Probably should have put it on when I first got up this morning because it just seems like it's turning over a lot slower.
Yeah, sounds like it did when we first tried to get it to turn over.
Yeah, fan belt's trying to stay on. It looks like we're getting fuel up here.
Well, that's good. Just make sure it doesn't set on fire again. Because doing that too many times would be bad.
That'd be bad. Water break.
What a break perks of
You don't have a
transplant.
cup holder.
I don't. I need one.
Yeah.
I wish I knew a fabricator that could make center consoles.
Yeah, I wish.
There is copious amounts of wire in this cab.
I know. You can kind of tell why a new wiring harness may be the ticket.
Yeah, especially because none of this looks like it's hooked to anything.
Yeah.
No headliner. Eek, no boop.
Try it, Jess.
Okay.
Is it me or we're just not turning much?
We are not doing anything.
Okay, I'm going to the switch out here.
Okay.
Screwdriver.
Come on, old girl.
The belt is not tight, so it's not dragged from that.
Are we going to use fire?
Gonna use fire.
Cool.
I don't have a lot left, but we'll get some charge going here.
Okay. How to not start a Willys.
Yeah.
But at least it doesn't have computers.
Fact. Hit the key. Man, it just...
That smells terrible.
Okay, let me go down here.
Okay. Oh, that is straight up varnish. It tried that time.
Yeah, it did. Well, I can't do everything at once. This is going to be the difficult part of it.
Right.
I don't know where the gas is set. We'll get some charge on this battery and
Okay.
go from there.
Yeah. What's that hum?
It's me messing with the charge box.
Okay.
Trying to get a little chargey do going. Okay, got a little choke action going there.
Okay. Fire.
Try it. Oh, never mind. It's not going to go.
What? Did Dad do it dumb?
No, I disconnected the battery. Let me hook it back up.
What is all of that sparking?
Me and the battery terminal, making sure I get it good. Go ahead, try it.
Hit it again?
Yeah. If you can, I'll go to it.
Can you?
Yep.
I'm starting to dent my finger again.
Okay.
Wait, we have a button for this.
Yes, we do. How come that just doesn't sound near as good as it did?
I don't know. Is the carburetor in the way of itself?
Not that I can see at the moment. It's like I'm just not getting enough spark.
Maybe that goes back to its battery.
I'm at a loss at the moment, Jess. I'm just not getting enough power to turn it.
Either wait for the battery to charge or go get the battery out of Unicorn.
Nah, I think we wait for the battery to charge. I think it's our best option.
Okay, so 12.58 on the battery. What's that mean?
You have 12.5 volts, so we should
Have enough spark.
to turn it.
Okay.
Something I've gotten bump. Not a whole lot here to bump.
Could it be the radiator? Or would that have nothing to do with it starting?
Really shouldn't have anything to do with it starting.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out why we're not getting that turnover like we had last week. Okay, massive fuel leak up here.
Well, there's your problem. Where's the fuel leak coming from?
The inlet,
That would explain why it's not starting. Oh, yep, I smell it.
still massive.
Are the inlets a different size from the old carb?
I don't think so. I mean, I got that torqued in there. Okay, I'm gonna go for removing it.
Okay.
Probably have to Teflon tape it. Definitely seems to be the fitting.
You got Teflon tape?
I do.
So what is Teflon tape?
It's a thin tape that bonds to the thread. Stop leak. Give it a try.
Yeah, that may have been our problem. Do you want me to kill it or?
You better start making potato sounds. People are gonna want to know.
It stopped.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, yep, it kind of wants to run now. You can smell it.
Okay, that was quite a bit of running. We are not leaking. And that was an awful long amount of run time. Try it again.
Okay. Bloop. Sound effects are always necessary when you're working on an old car.
Yeah.
Come on. There you go. Electrical gas. Now we need the radiator.
So I figure we better.
Fill the radiator.
Yeah.
Wait, what happens if you don't fill the radiator
I don't want to heat the engine.
and cause an explosion?
Just enough off that battery. We'll have to set the carb so it runs on its own.
It does the potato thing.
Potatoes.
The potato's good.
I have got to figure a way to get you an idle. Okay, so we're to idle now, Jess.
Yep.
Kind of hard with what we're working against.
What are we working against?
I don't have everything hooked up on the engine, so I can set it manually up here.
Yeah.
And the choke's not set because we need electricity to the choke. But they're all little problems.
We now have a potatoing rig. Now we just gotta get it to do multiple potatoes. It has to do all of the potatoes. I don't know what all of the
Adding a new
potatoes.
system.
Yay, radiator.
Cooler.
Also known as just putting water in it.
Smells like water,
Good?
I guess.
I don't know if that's good or bad because this thing lived in Colorado.
Okay, we have water in the system.
And now it kind of smells like swimming pool.
And at the moment, we're not leaking, but it's kind of hard because I don't have just the hose. I have the nozzle on it. Okay, Jess, give me potato.
Because now there's a radiator. I think this counts as an idle.
Sounds good. I mean,
we're sitting for 15 years, yeah.
Alive!
It's a good thing I didn't accidentally switch gears.
Yeah, please don't.
I'm trying not to hit it with all of my might. Because Mom would kind of get mad at me.
What's it doing, Jess?
Doing the potato thing.
We have potato.
We do. And it kind of smells like burning rubber. And not the good kind.
Okay, Jess.
Okay, Dad. Hood is going down.
Slide over, Jess.
Slide. Here, move my water then. I'm not sitting on a mirror. And I don't mind taking a shifter to the crotch.
Okay, I have no gas pedal, no brake pedal.
Yeah, that's your shifter. And probably no gears. What is that noise?
I don't think we have a transmission.
Great! That might be the next
But-
step.
Hold on. We do now.
Are you sure about that statement?
Yep.
Okay. We're not moving.
Yep, but we're trying.
Okay, sorry.
it's trying. I'll give you that.
Yeah. That's going forward.
Am I up? I have anything in front of me.
Yeah, Jeep.
My Jeep. Other than that, no.
Your dog's coming.
Now, don't.
Come over this way, please.
Okay. That is first. That should be reverse.
Yep, now we're going backwards. Whee! Now we're going forwards.
I'm trying
Oh,
to
yeah.
brake.